Welcome to Left-Handed Lock Sport. I'm the EJM3, and for video 7, we are tackling the Master Pro Series 7045. A little bit disappointed with this lock. It's a little bit easier than I expected. This one has a shackle guard. When you turn the key, you need to pull up on the shackle. There's no spring underneath here. And the bidding is, or should be, challenging. But honestly, I'm sticking my pick in there, and it just sort of opens itself after we get the false set. So for this one, I'm going to do bottom of the keyway. Stick my pick in there and get going. So pin 5, a little bit of a click. Pin 4, nothing. 3, nothing. 2, a little something. 1, and going back. I think I'm caught up on 3. Alright, so 5, 4, got a little bit of a click. 3, nothing. 2, a little bit of a click. 1, and a false set. And trying to get back, I think I'm caught up on number 3. Come on. And there we go. So let's cut this thing, see what's inside. It takes a 7/64 Allen wrench to get this open. Alright, I think we got that out. And we got a clamp that we gotta open up. Get the key back out. Turn it a bit. And my only complaint with the Sparrow's plug followers is that it doesn't have a half circle in the small version of this, so a little bit difficult when we're dealing with American and Masters, but still get by. I don't think we're going to see anything too surprising here. Got a standard. Pin 4. Standard for key pin 1. This is a really short key pin 2. Standard. Key pin 5 was standard and red, which means it was rekeyed, but this is the original master on it, so maybe it was just replaced with the same length. So all standard. See what's in here. So spot 1, we got a spool. Another spool in pin 2. Another spool in pin 3. It's interesting that all these pins aren't popping completely out of the plug, so the springs must be very light. And so we got spool, 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 and a semi-serrated. And for the springs, we have all copper so far. The 2 that's left in there are also copper. There's one of them. I'm not sure we're going to get that last one out. If it's still in there at all. And there it is. Usually that one looks somewhat shorter than the ones right next to it. So there we have it. Nothing too special about this guy. I'd go with the 83. Same sort of penning, but so much more challenging. Well, that was the Master Pro Series 7045. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get emails on all new videos I post. Click here to subscribe. Click here to see my last video about the Avis 83. And click here to see my next video. Until next time, peace.